Hey guys, John here, welcome back. Today I've got with me the second generation of these Bose QuietComfort headphones, and I'm pretty excited to try these out. They have support for the Google Assistant and Alexa, which is pretty cool. If you don't know who Bose are, but who am I kidding, you probably do. They are a company that primarily sells audio equipment and are well known for having amazing noise cancelling headphones. Travel case, there's a bag which I can only presume is to absorb moisture, and of course the manual. On the box it says there is an app that we can download, also has some instructions telling you how to turn on the headphones. Inside the travel case we have a 3.5mm jack to jack cable, and a charging cable which is a micro USB to USB. Then of course we have the headphones. My first reaction is that they are super sleek. They look great and feel great. There is some nice flexibility to them too. Right, let's get into the review. The quality in the Bose headphones are great. They feel premium and they look premium too. They are light and flexible and don't feel like they will snap. I'm also a really big fan of the stealthy black colour. On your head they feel really good. They don't feel too heavy. The ear padding is very soft and the padding on the top of the head is nice and soft too. When you put them on, you don't feel like they're squeezing against you. It's almost like having a soft hug on your head. Your ear fits into the headphones nice and snug. If you look inside the headphones, you can see there's an L on the left side and an R on the right, so you won't get them mixed up. The inside also goes back and is kind of shaped like your ear, which makes it fit in so snug. When I put them on, I don't feel like my ears are getting squished or anything. So overall, for the style and ergonomics, absolutely great. I can't fault them. They look so nice, they feel great, and they fit on your head perfectly. The right cup has the power on button, which is like a slider. It is also the Bluetooth pairing. On the bottom of the cup there are volume up and down buttons and a pause button. There's a nice distinct difference between them. The volume up and volume down buttons are slightly raised, but when moving your fingers across them, the edges are sharp. And there's a micro USB port which you charge your headphones from. It's a shame it's not USB-C, but it'll do the job. On the left cup there is a button which is referred to as the action button. This you could set up to have your assistant on it or to change the noise cancelling levels, which are high, low and off. On the bottom we also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which will allow you to connect to your devices that don't have Bluetooth. When turning on the headphones you are greeted by this woman's voice. It's quite robotic and she tells you the battery percentage and what devices you are connected to.
Battery 50%. Connected to Pixel 5 and JONS PC.
The reason you have the robotic voice is because it reads what devices it's connected to. With the action button, I've actually set up Google Assistant, which allows it to read notifications to me when I get them from people. So I could be having a conversation with a friend and my headphones will let me know I've got a message and it will read the message to me. You can also reply straight from the headphones just by pressing the action button, and it works pretty well. It's a good thing this bit is done with the Google Assistant's voice because it sounds so much better, and I don't think I could bear it with the Bose woman. A great feature of these headphones is the music sharing, which allows you to connect to your device and a friend's device. So you can play music from your phone, which will go to both headphones. This can come in really handy if you're sat on the bus going somewhere and your friend's next to you. You can both listen to the same song at the same time. Or if you're watching a movie on your phone, you can play to both headphones. So the music quality in these headphones are absolutely phenomenal. I can't say I've had a better experience using a pair of headphones. The only thing I can compare them to though are these Bose QC35 IIs, which are great headphones. With the amazing sound quality and noise cancellation of these, they're absolutely perfect if you're sat in a public area like a bus or you're flying on a plane. It does really well covering out background noise. Bose are known for having world-class noise cancellation and they're one of the best. But you don't have to use these just for when you're out and about in public areas. These would be great headphones if you're a gamer or you just like to listen to music. The battery life on these are about 20 hours wirelessly, but if you use them with a cable they can last up to 40 hours. I must say too, the app looks great. It's so easy to use and it's a super simple setup. Once you connect your headphones to your phone, it goes through a setup wizard with you, which is super straightforward. You can rename your headphones, You can enable and disable what Bluetooth devices you're connected to, and you can change everything else in here, such as the noise cancellation, what the action button does, how well you can hear your voice when you're talking to the Google Assistant or you're on a phone call. If you're looking for a great pair of headphones, I think these will do you well. They're really well balanced, they feel great on your head, and the sound quality is amazing. You can pretty much use them anywhere, going to the gym, at your desk, on a bus. They're very versatile. On Bose's website, they say it's £299 for these brand new, but they're always on offer, and I have seen these under promotional bundles. So if people are trying to sell them on eBay to make some money back, you could probably buy a brand new one quite cheap. Hope you like this review. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Outtakes number 1.